Hello, Namaste, Tajia How. Today we will be doing the counting from 1 to 99. Before starting, let's first do the counting from 1 to 10. 1 is E, 2, R, 3, San, 4, S, 5, Wu, 6, Liu, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10. So I have made the characters around the numbers. Let's go with the pronunciations once again. 1 E, 2 R, 3 San, 4 S, 5 Wu, 6 Liu, 7 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10. Okay, so we have done the counting from 1 to 10. Now we are moving towards our 11 to 99. If you know the numbers from 1 to 10, then it is easier to do the counting from 11 to 99. Let's take one example. Let's take 11. So how to write 11? 10 plus 1. What is 10 in Chinese? Shi. 1 is E. So it will be shísì, shísì. Okay. If you want to write the characters, then what you have to do? You have to write the character of 10 first, then you have to write the character of E. Okay. Now let's take another example. Let's take 12. Now 12 in Chinese will be 10 plus 2. First you have to write 10, shi, then 2, R. It will be shi R. Shi R. Shi R. The character would be same. First you have to make the character of 10, then you have to make the character of 2 in Chinese. Okay. In this way you can just make the counting till 19. Let's take the last example, which is 19. How to write 19? 19 you will write like 10 plus 9, right? 10 would be shi and 9 will be jiu. Character, first the character of 10, then the character of 9. Okay, in this way you can write the counting till 11 to 19. Now let's see how to write the multiples of 10. Now let's see how to write the multiples of 10. 10 is shi, 20 will be èrshíwǔ, 30 will be sānshísān, 40 cīshíyī, 50 wǔ, 60 will be èrshíwǔ, 70 qīshíyī, 80 bāshíqī, 90 will be 90. Okay, but you have to write the numbers, then you have to add shi with them to make them the multiples of 10. Okay, now let's take the random counting number. Let's take 35. How will you write 35 in Chinese? 30 plus 5, right? Now 30 will be sānshísān and 5 will be wǔ. Sānshísān. The character would be, first you have to make the character of 3, then you have to make the character of 10, and then you have to make the character of 5. Okay, let's take another example. Let's take 43. How will you write the 43? First you have to write the 40, then 3. 40 will be cīshíyī and 3 will be sān. It will be sānshísān. Sānshísān. Okay, now character s, then shi, and then san. Sānshísān. Sānshísān. I just wrote some numbers. You just tried these out and you will find the answers in the description of these numbers. You can just, after doing it, you can just check it out. Okay, so that's all for today. We will meet in the next video, and in the next video we will be covering the counting from 100 to 999. Okay, so don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Bye bye. Follow for more. 再见.